As cases here in Arizona continue to rise, parents are concerned about the return to school. And right now, in-person classes are set to resume August 17th.
And with many families weighing their options, Brianna Whitney asked our state's former health director what numbers we should be seeing to safely send our kids back to school.
Arizona's former top health executive says the decision of when to reopen schools in person is simple. He says it should come down to meeting criteria instead of trying to set dates. And he says most of Arizona isn't even close to being ready.
Is Maricopa County ready for an August 17th start?
No.
Point blank, former Arizona Director of Health Will Humble says sending kids back to the classroom in less than a month should be out of the question.
It seems like we're stuck in pre-pandemic thinking, like schools have a certain start date. During a pandemic, it should be you meet certain benchmarks and then you set your date.
So far, Governor Ducey pushed the start of in-person classes back 2 weeks. Instead, Humble suggests a set of standards for each county to meet before reopening schools.
Number one would be to get our positivity rate, that's the percent positives for those PCR diagnostic tests, to in the 5% range in your county.
Right now, Maricopa County's cumulative positivity rate is 16%. That's the average dating back to January when Arizona saw its first case. To give you an idea of where the state is at right now, our 7-day rolling average is the highest in the nation at 23.4%. But Humble says something else that needs to drastically change is the lag time to get results back. Some Arizonans are waiting weeks to find out results, which makes contact tracing nearly impossible and going back to school more dangerous.
Got to be able to fix this turnaround time, and for the life of me, I don't understand what's so hard about it. Without fixing that, the rest of it's not going to work.
Humble says the state needs to get back 80% of sample results within 3 days and finish up their contact tracing investigations within 4 days to be effective and safe. Brianna Whitney for Arizona's Family.